Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away again for so long. Guys, I've been sick with malaria, but I'm back, and you know what? It's going to be
party after party, after party after party, party after party.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a drawstring top, but at the same time, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the struggles of a Nigerian YouTuber, an average Nigerian YouTuber. This video is in collaboration with Mira, my very good friend here on YouTube. I'm going to put her channel somewhere on the screen. She's a vlogger. That girl is living her best life. Like, she travels around Africa. She showcases a lot of African cultures. Her channel is just goals, and her consistency is on point. So I'm going to be putting her channel link in the description box below. Please check her out, subscribe to her channel, watch all her videos, all that good stuff. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. Actually, this video is also going to be a DIY, so intermittently I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the drawstring top, and I'm going to be talking to you guys at the same time. Please keep on watching. So guys, what you're going to be needing is a tape, a chalk, some pins, and a pair of scissors. So here guys, I'm just going to measure up my length where I want the top to stop, and I'm going to repeat the same process to make sure I have an even length. So I'm just going to evenly cut it out and keep it aside, and we'll get back to it very soon. Guys, the first challenge about being a Nigerian YouTuber, you know, they tell you all these stuff like, oh, if you want to start a YouTube channel, just pick up your camera and start filming. By all means, do. But what they don't tell you is the consistency, guys. As a new YouTuber, it is very difficult to keep that consistency on point. I struggle myself, you know. It is very difficult to keep that consistency on point, upload videos, and most times it's not really because, oh, you don't want to do it, you don't want to put out content. It's the fact that we have a lot of challenges here in Nigeria, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about a few of them. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is views. Guys, it's so difficult and discouraging when, you know, you put out content, you spend all this time, you make videos, you put out content, and you don't get the number of views, you know, you imagine you would get, or you anticipate you would get. You know, it's just really hard, and most times you don't really blame these people. It's not like, oh, they don't like you or they don't want to watch your channel. But the thing is, data in Nigeria is very expensive, which is another point I'm going to come to. So getting people to watch your videos is just so difficult. The hardest platform to ever grow on, to get, you know, to build your audience, is YouTube. You know, you can get 10,000 followers on Facebook. You can get 10,000 followers on Twitter. Twitter is the easiest, actually. You can get followers on Instagram. But you see, YouTube, because people know you gain from it, like, you get paid from it subsequently. Guys, I don't know if that's the case, or the fact that data is just expensive. I see, you know, people in the States, people in the US and Canada, people really make videos of 1 hour, 1 hour video, and I just imagine, like, wow, if this is Nigeria, nobody will watch you, because data is a struggle. Like, it's very expensive here. So because it's a platform where, you know, eventually get monetized and all that good stuff, people really don't, I don't know if they don't want to support you, or it's the fact that data is just expensive. So the second point I'm going to be talking to you guys about is data. Farm. Data is very expensive here in Nigeria. I'm not even joking. Like, data is very, I can't even emphasize it enough. I legit buy data every 2 days, guys. I spend 25,000 naira on data monthly, and that's a lot. I mean, if you can have like a good network plan here in Nigeria, where you would pay for data or internet subscription for a month, and you actually get value for your money, for your money's worth, that would just be amazing. But you could actually buy data that would actually is meant to last you for 1 month. But fam, if you stream videos, you watch YouTube videos, you go on Instagram a lot, guys, forget about it. You're just going to keep spending so much money on data. Another thing I'm going to be talking to you guys about is electricity. You can just be filming your videos like this, NEPA will just seize the lights. And if NEPA sees the lights, you call it a day. I want to film videos, but there's no light for me to, film my videos. And it's really easy to on generator and just film. But there's this thing about, the camera, like every little sound just seeps through the camera, and you don't want to spend all this time, make videos. At the end of the day, by the time you're editing it, you find out the video came out very noisy. You don't want that for yourself. So electricity is another big factor here in Nigeria. We call it NEPA, or power holding. So it's a very big issue. Another point I'm going to be talking to you guys about is stairs. Here in Nigeria, we don't mind our business. So it doesn't happen to me because I've not started vlogging yet on my channel. But I know a lot of vloggers complain about this. By the time you take out your camera and start filming, people really just get in your business. Like, they don't understand what you're doing because they see you talking to your camera. They just find it weird. So they will either stare at you. Most of them will even photobomb you or think you're trying to, take a picture, and they want to, pose along. People don't mind their business in Nigeria. That's just the truth about it. People don't mind their business. So let's not just forget our DIY. So you're just going to carry the downside where you cut out, place it on your polo, mark the exact length, and cut it out. So when you're done with that, fold your polo into two. Make sure you get the middle and make an incision. I say an incision as if I'm in the hospital. And make a cut out of it. Make sure you get the middle. Either you cut it or you mark it with a chalk. When you're done, turn the right side in. Just make sure you use your tape and make sure you get the middle of the rectangular part where you cut out. That's the part where you're going to sew round. So you're going to sew the middle and both sides. So you all know me, I don't like my fabric moving up and down, so I'm just going to pin around the rectangular piece. So now that we're done with that, I'm just going to proceed to making my drawstring. So I'm making the drawstring from the hem of the polo where I cut out. So instead of having to cut a different fabric and hemming it round again, I'm just using the same hem that the polo came with. I'm just carefully cutting out the excess fabric. So now the fun part, you're either going to hand sew this or use your sewing machine. So you're going to want to sew the middle and both sides of the rectangular piece. So you can either decide to leave yours frayed if you like a more frayed look. For me, I'm very keen with detail, so I'm just going to hem mine all around, as you can see. So I can't be the only one who enjoys using a safety pin to either pass an elastic or a fabric. It's so relaxing. So make sure you pass the drawstring in both the holes or tunnel of the fabric. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please click the subscribe button, press the bell sign below so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and share this video, like, comment, tell me which video you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So let me just quickly show you the polo.
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil on your shoulder, 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 shoulder. And I'm not your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya. Know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see you in the morning. Wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep inside what's behind your vacant eyes.
Party after party, party after party, party after party, after party after